Welcome to Quiz RAD. In this challenge, you'll hear 6 iconic songs from your favorite artist, but there's a twist: you can only keep one for life. Ready to test your music heart? Don't forget to subscribe to Quiz RAD for more fun videos. Let's start! Beyonce.
Baby, they're tumbling down, and they didn't even put up a fight. To dip him, and now you want to trip, 'cause another brother noticed me. I'm up on him. How it feels to love a girl, I swear I'd be a bad. We run this mother, yeah. Girls, we run this mother, yeah. Round, 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 round. Stick around, and I'll be damned if I can't slow down.
You've got 6 of Beyonce's biggest hits, but you can only keep one for life. Taylor Swift.
Oh, it's so sad to think about the good and read you like a magazine. Ain't it funny? Rumors fly, and I know you. I don't like your perfect crime, but I can't make them stay. At least that's what people say.
From heartbreak ballads to pop perfection, only one Taylor Swift song can stay forever. Imagine Dragons.
Hey, you made me a believer, believer. We breed, we still are made of greed. This is my kingdom. Hey, leave behind your heart and cast away. Uptight, wanna let loose. I was dreaming of bigger things and wanna leave. Whatever it takes, 'cause I love the adrenaline.
6 epic anthems from Imagine Dragons, but only one can survive. Olivia Rodrigo.
Thinks it's special, but it's so reused. That was secure about. Yet today I drove through the suburbs. 'Cause how good for you, you look happy and healthy. Not me, if you ever cared to. I'm so obsessed with your ex. I know she's been asleep on my side of your. Together loved you at your worst, but that didn't matter. Got it. I see the parties and diamonds sometimes when I close my eyes.
From heartbreak to healing, you can keep just one Olivia Rodrigo song. The Weeknd.
Trying to right my wrongs, my regrets filling up my head. All the times I dodged it, but I love it. Oh, I can feel my face when I'm with you. And I've been trying to fill that void that my father left. So no, I don't know why I run away. But I love my baby. You talking money, need a hearing aid. You talking about me, I don't see a shit. Call you when it's half-assed, but the only time that I be back.
6 moody, iconic hits from The Weeknd, but only one stays. Katy Perry.
Take you under candlelight, we can wine and dine. 'Cause I'm coming at you like a dark horse. Are you ready for? Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting? Always speak critically. I should know. The room, pink flamingos in the pool. I smell like a mini bar. DJ's passed out in like a butterfly, stinging like a bee. I earned my stripes. I went from 0.
From Firework to Roar, you've got 6 of Katy Perry's biggest songs. BTS.
우주가 생긴 그날부터 계속 like dynamite. Whoa,
누가 내 수저 더럽대 I don't pay 마이크 잡은 금수저 여러 배 버럭해
Oh my, 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 oh my, my, my. You got me high so fast.
6 legendary BTS hits, but only one can stay in your playlist forever. Maroon 5.
We're enemies. I'm going to get along when I'm inside of you. But now it's all good, babe. Roll out backward, babe. And play me close. Got you stuck on my body like a tattoo. You got me begging, begging, I'm on my knees. I wanna be needing you. I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? I wanna know who's taking you home, I'm loving you so.
6 smooth Maroon 5 classics, but just one can make the cut. Justin Bieber.
First love broke my heart for the first time, and I was like, baby, baby, what you got? A billion.
And I didn't wanna write a song, cause I didn't want anyone thinking I still care.
I will never say never. I will fight.
I'm sorry. Do you mean? When you nod your head, yes.
From Baby to Peaches, you can only keep one Justin Bieber hit. Bruno Mars.
Girls, what y'all trying to do?
I would go through all this pain. I know, when I compliment her, she won't believe me. And it's so ass invited. So gonna get to clapping. Go pop it for a plan, pop it for me. Throw my hand in my pants. Nobody's gonna tell me I can't. Talk about you, all it does is just tear me down. Cause my
Smooth, soulful, and timeless, but only one Bruno Mars track survives. One Direction.
It's the way she walked straight into my heart and stole drag me down I got fire for a heart I'm not scared of the dark You've never seen everything that you've ever dreamed of disappearing It's gotta get now Cause I'm dying just to make you see It's frozen That's the way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed But when you smile at
6 unforgettable One Direction songs, but only one stays forever. Eminem.
Gonna stand there and hear me cry. Well, that's all.
Take the sting out these words before I say them Cause ain't no way I'm gonna let you stop me from causing mayhem When I say I'm gonna do something Go walk when I hat cock it Got a fat knock from that rat profit Made a living and a killing off it Ever since Bill Clinton was still in office It's the return of the Oh wait, no wait, you're kidding He didn't just say what I think he did he? And Doc well if you want shady, this is what I'll give you A little bit of me mixed with some hard liquor Some vodka that'll jumpstart No, I ain't much of a poet But I know somebody once told me to seize the moment and don't squander it Cause you never know when it all could be
6 legendary bars, one rap icon, only one Eminem track survives. Post Malone.
I couldn't be there. Congratulations. Worked so hard, forgot how to vacation. Balls alright, pick on psycho. Lil' mama bad like Michael. Can't really trust nobody. That money like the ring I never want. I want. Saucing, in a cop car. Ay. Shit was legendary through a TV. I don't even on you. You don't make it easy, no. Wish I could be there.
6 vibey hits from Post Malone, only one can live on forever. Ed Sheeran.
Conversations with a stranger I barely know. Swearing this will be
It's when we fell in love, not knowing what it. Carry the world on your back, but look at you tonight. With just me and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop it, and the man on the jukebox. Cause lately I've been craving more.
6 heartfelt Ed Sheeran songs, but you can only keep one. Rihanna.
Shine bright like a diamond. Not really sure how to feel about it. Something in the way you maybe in magazines, but you still be my star. In a hopeless place, we found love in a hopeless place. Body knows how to work my body, knows how to make me want it. Me have you work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. That's something about that.
6 iconic Rihanna hits, but only one can stay with you forever. That was epic. Which song did you keep till the end? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more awesome quizzes only on Quiz RAD.